Melzest is a fantastic product for cough and cold. And I say cough and cold because you usually get both together, and this product covers everything. So it's based on honey, and honey is amazing for cough. It's been shown in many studies that honey is just as good as even opiate-based linctuses for cough. So the honey is great for cough, and we also have vitamin C and zinc in there as well, which will cover the cold. So it covers the whole cough and cold. People know about vitamin C, of course, and it's great. It's great for reducing the duration and severity of colds. But people don't know about zinc as much, whereas zinc is actually better than vitamin C at reducing the severity and duration of cold viruses. Now, the problem with zinc is it tastes horrible, but part of the beauty of the Melzest product is that the honey and the lemon hide that taste of zinc. You don't even know it's there. So you're getting all the benefits without the horrible metal taste in your mouth. So Melzest is great for cough and cold. It's great for the whole family because it's safe down to the age of 4. And if someone in the family has got a cough or cold, probably the whole family will have it as well. So it's a great product. It tastes great. It's a really strong lemon and honey flavor. And one of the novel features is you can have it in 2 different ways. You can put it on a spoon and you can eat it, or you can put it in hot water and make a drink, which tastes fantastic as well.